How to trade Topstep on Tradingview. So trading with Topstep is possible, but it requires connecting your funded or evaluation account through a supported platform. Now, Topstep does allow traders to use several platforms, and TradingView integration works through supported brokers like Tradivate, which connects your Topstep account to the TradingView interface. Now, you're pretty much just making sure you already have an account for your Topstep, since you're gonna need these credentials in order to log in into Tradivate. So go to Tradivate and use the exact same credentials. So use the same email and password you used to log into your Topstep. Now you're gonna have to select a trading mode in Tradivate and make sure you choose the simulation. So press on try it over here, and then you're gonna have to be on trading mode. So if you are prompted to that question, make sure you choose that option. Now here in the chart, you're gonna have to navigate to your application settings in the top right corner, and then here you're gonna have to click on the add-on tools. So it's gonna be found beside transfers and payments, but here will be your trading view option. So it is gonna have a price over here, but it's gonna enable TradingView to access your Tradivate account and technically your Topstep account as well. So to use in conjunction with Tradivate's install web and mobile versions, and there won't be any additional order routing fees that apply. So once you have the subscription and then the add-on is enabled, you'll be able to connect TradingView to your Tradivate account with your current Tradivate username and password. You're just gonna have to go ahead and activate it. The process should be pretty smooth and direct, since it's gonna tell you a step-by-step instruction on how to do so. Just make sure you have both your TradingView, Tradivate, and Topstep credentials already ready. In the end, you're just gonna have to select the account you want to trade and then edit trading settings, adding modules like a DOM by clicking on the head within the account name. So that's pretty much the process, or where you're supposed to do this process if you want to connect your trading view with Tradivate or Topstep. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.